Dear students, today we are going to learn a very beautiful poem, Basket Full of Moonlight. The poem is written by Sunil Sharma. It is translated from Dogri language into English. The poem is in the form of request which is done by the young boy to the moon. The boy actually needed the seeds of moonlight so that he can grow the moon on along the side of the road, so that there will be light and his father will come back home early, because he wants to listen the stories just like other children from his father. He is feeling very lonely, he feels very lonely, and because of that reason, very innocently, he is demanding the seeds of moonlight to the moon. So actually this is the short summary of the poem. Now we will going to learn the given poem stanza wise. Our first stanza says, O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful with seeds of moonlight. So here the poetess means the boy is actually addressing the moon and demands the moonlight with the seeds of moonlight. The first line contains the figure of speech is apostrophe. The boy addresses the moon, which is a non-living thing, and that kind of a figure of speech is known as apostrophe. In our second stanza, the boy says, From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small, small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. The boy says that he wants to sow the seeds of moonlight along the side of the road from city to village, and he says that all villagers go to city for their daily work. In our third stanza, the boy says, It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions, neither birds nor cat flies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. So here in the third stanza, we actually come to know why that boy needed the seeds of moonlight, because he just wanted to sow those seeds of moonlight along the side of the road. So the stanza says, the boy wants the seeds of moonlight because his village is quite far from city. The road from village to city is very dark because there is no light on that road. The road is very dangerous because it is full of snakes and scorpions. म्हणजे तिथे भरपूर साप आणि विंचू आहेत, म्हणजेच तो रस्ता येण्या जाण्यासाठी धोक्याचा आहे. The road is very dangerous because it is full of snakes and scorpions. There is no facility of transportation because neither bus nor cart plies. बैलगाडी किंवा एखादी बस सुद्धा येणं जाणं करत नाही. There is no facility of transportation from village to city. Therefore, his father comes late at night and till that time the boy falls asleep. म्हणजे जोपर्यंत त्याचे वडील येतात उशिरा घरी, तोपर्यंत तो मुलगा झोपी गेलेला असतो. In next two lines, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. While I am sleeping. So his father goes for work early in the morning when the boy is sleeping. This means the boy cannot meet his father even at the daytime. So it shows the loneliness of the boy. The boy feels very lonely. Why? Because he cannot meet his father. He cannot tell anything to his father. He cannot listen the stories from his father. Therefore, the boy feels very lonely. And because of that reason, just like a very young boy, he finds the solution to plant the seeds of moonlight so that there will be light on that road. In our first stanza, the boy says, O moon, give me basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. So the boy needs the moonlight on loan. Loan, कर्जाने घेणे, so that he can light the dark route from the village to the city. In this way, his father would come back early and he would listen the fairy tales, parikatha, from his father like other children. So he just wanted to listen fairy tales, means stories from his father, just like any other young child. And because of that reason, he needs those seeds of moonlight. In next stanza and last one, the boy says, O moon, give me basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. The boy again requests the moon to give him basket full of moonlights and seeds of moonlight so that he can sow them. So म्हणजे पेरणे. So he can sow them on the side of road to solve the problem of electricity. So this is the explanation of the poem Basketful of Moonlight. In next video, we are going to learn the appreciation of the poem. Thank you.